Stocks falling for the first time in 4 days of trading as Germany and France try to outline their plan to defend the euro. Deborah Kostroun has all the details from the New York Stock Exchange. Deborah.
Thanks a lot, Pimm. Yes, a 3-day rally in stocks ending today, but the good news is we closed off the lows of the day. The Dow at one point was down 190 points, so we did see some recovery off the lows of the day. And of course, it's worries about Europe that stole the spotlight today after France and Germany. What they're trying to do, they're just trying to defend the euro. So they're proposing this financial transaction tax in September, but traders say that Europe will continue to be an overhang until they come up with some realistic policies. And on top of that, we also got some disappointing European economic growth numbers, and it showed that their economic growth slowed more than forecast, and that, of course, just adds to all these debt concerns. Pimm.
Now, Deborah, even though the market was down today, we had two major retailers. We're going to talk about them, but they reported earnings, and their stocks, they were flying high.
They certainly were. Walmart and Home Depot both reporting earnings. Both companies boosted their forecast for this year. Sam's Club really helping out Walmart halt a decline in stores in the U.S., but Walmart saying that food inflation reached 3.5% during the last 3 months, and that actually remains a top concern for its shoppers. Walmart really feeling the heat also from smaller dollar stores. So what they're going to be doing, they're going to be offering smaller size products at even lower price points. And so those were some of the winners, but the biggest drags in the market today, probably not too surprising with all the European woes. We saw financials dragging the market lower, along with industrials and even energy stocks, and of course those most closely tied to the economy. After the closing bell, we did get some earnings news from Dell. Dell releasing those earnings saying second quarter sales missed estimates, the company being hurt by a slump in desktop PC sales and also consumer spending, and the stock getting hit pretty hard. I know you'll be talking about Dell too a little bit later on in the show. Pimm, back to you.
Thank you very much. Deborah Kostroun reporting from the New York Stock Exchange.